Hi, I'm Jeff Palomo with Palomo and Associates. We are your estate planning and elder law firm. I wanted to take a minute and talk a little bit about our recent hire of Marjorie Walls in running the funding department. Funding is one of the most essential and important pieces of estate planning and elder law, particularly with trust planning. So when you do a trust, what you're doing is you're creating a separate entity or a contract between three parties. The grantor, the person who creates it, the trustee, the person who controls it, and the beneficiary, the person who receives it. But in order for your assets to actually go into the wagon or to be titled in the name of the trust, you have to change the names of those assets. Or if at your death you want those assets to go into that trust to be protected for your family, we also need to make sure that those beneficiary designations get changed. And we've always had people internally assisting, and we've always had people internally helping out. But for the first time in Palomo and Associates history, we will have a person that is dedicated fully to funding and to making sure that everything is done properly. And again, just another value add to our financial professionals that we work with, to have a contact that they know who to reach out to make sure that it is done appropriately. So we are really excited to have Marjorie Walls on board and to be in our funding department and to assist our clients. So welcome, Marjorie, and I hope you enjoyed learning a little more about why funding is important.